In this video, I will compare Kajabi versus GoHighLevel and tell you which of these tools may be best for you and your business. So Kajabi is mainly a course builder and selling platform, and GoHighLevel has a lot of different features, and one of them is actually building and selling courses. Now I'll just compare them mainly in terms of that, but then also in terms of their other features, and just tell you overall which one I would use. So on Kajabi, you can see what you can do. So you can create online courses, coaching, podcasts, memberships, and communities. And then around that, in order to sell that, you can create a website, you can create landing pages, emails, funnels, a link in bio builder, Creator.io, Creator Studio, and a branded mobile app. Now you can also collect payments, contacts, and see analytics. Now in terms of pricing for Kajabi, you can see if you pay monthly, it starts at $69 per month, then the basic plan is $149, then the growth plan $199, and the pro plan $399. Now you can see what is included in all of them. For example, if you want to get access to advanced automations and an affiliate program for your products along with custom branding, you will need to pay $199 per month. Now with GoHighLevel, you can do all of this right here and even more, because here you can just set up one website, but with GoHighLevel you can set up unlimited, and here you can have 25,000 contacts, 15 funnels. In GoHighLevel's cheapest plan, you can have unlimited of all of that. So you can see right here what they offer. So the main comparison with Kajabi are the communities and the courses and products. You can see it actually replaces Kajabi. Now on top of that, you will already get the advanced automations in the starter $97 per month plan. So whereas with Kajabi, for all of these features, you will need to pay $199 or even $399 to get access to everything, such as a custom code editor, you will need to pay $399 per month, and with GoHighLevel only $97 per month. And here you will get access to everything you need. You can build as many courses as you want with as many contacts and students as you want. I would only personally go with Kajabi if you are going to be using the Kickstarter plan and you don't mind having a little bit less advanced automations, having no custom branding, no support, none of that. Then you could go with the Kickstarter plan, but even with the difference in pricing, $69 and $97, it's not a huge difference. I would personally definitely go with GoHighLevel. Now, if you're wondering what it looks like inside of GoHighLevel, you can see that right here. If you click login to app, then I'll just sign into my account. Now I'm actually using the $497 per month plan, so therefore I have a SaaS configurator. But basically you have a sub account that you want to go and sign into, and when you create your account, someone will help you set everything up. But right here you can then click on memberships, and then here you also see courses, and then you can set up your own products. So you can see it right here. Then you can set up offers, you can customize it, you can set up certificates for this product. So they have a few templates here that you can also customize, of course, and you can just make it look however you would like to. And it's just a very straightforward course and community building platform. Now, only if you want to sell coaching or podcasts, then I would go with Kajabi. If you want to create a course or membership, I would go with GoHighLevel. Now, usually GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial. If you want to get access to an extended 30-day free trial, simply click on the link down in the description to start your 30-day free trial today. Now, once you create your account through the link in the description, you will get the option to book an onboarding call with someone from GoHighLevel's team, and they will just help you set up your courses, your automations, and all of that. And the automations are also very, very powerful in GoHighLevel. You will see they have a bunch of templates right here. And some of them are, for example, for Shopify, but you will also find templates that are specifically for courses. And all of this and unlimited automations you will already get in their cheapest plan. Now, the reason that they have a more expensive plan is in the cheapest plan you can manage up to 3 businesses, because you can create up to 3 sub-accounts, and one sub-account is basically one business that you manage using GoHighLevel. But if you're just using this for yourself, then you will only need one. So then you can simply use this plan. If you want more than 3 businesses that you can manage using GoHighLevel, that is what the unlimited plan is for. Now again, if you want to claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days for GoHighLevel, then click on the link down in the description. So that concludes this comparison of Kajabi versus GoHighLevel. If this comparison was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.